High up in the Sodor Hills, among the lakes and trees, there are some very special friends Thomas likes to see. They are the narrow gauge engines, running on narrow gauge track. Friends like Rusty, Duncan, Fearless, Freddy, Mighty Mac. They got their own controller, Mr. Percival is his name. And though they're small, they're strong and really useful just the same. They're Sodor's best kept secret, the who people hardly know. Because they're small, they take the loads where bigger trains can't go. They work with James and Thomas at the transfer yard, and though they're cute and friendly, these engines work so hard. They are the narrow gauge engines, running on narrow gauge track. Scott, Loey, Peter, Sam, Reneus, a handle at the back. They got their own controller, Mr. Percival is his name. And though they're small, they're strong and really useful just the same. Walkers, campers, fishermen, to all of them they're friends, popping proudly up the slopes and rattling round the bends. They are the narrow gauge engines, running on narrow gauge track. Friends like Rusty, Duncan, Fearless, Freddy, Mighty Mac. They got their own controller, Mr. Percival is his name. And though they're small, they're strong and really useful just the same. They are the narrow gauge engines, running on narrow gauge track. Friends like Rusty, Duncan, Fearless, Freddy, Mighty Mac. They got their own controller, Mr. Percival is his name. And though they're small, they're strong and really useful just the same.